Energopetrol, Technology Integrators. The company now presents its new power control rooms. Electrical solutions today must be built as efficiently as possible. We understand that the safety and reliability of today's power electrical rooms are essential. A PCR must be available upon arrival at the site of operation. The electrical, instrumentation, and control systems of our PCRs are fully assembled at Energopetrol's Technology Development Center. Our product arrives at the customer's site with all its equipment fully connected and tested by highly qualified inspection personnel before shipment. The PCR is easily adaptable for aerial or underground installations. They're available for side or bottom installation. In addition, if required, our projects include complete and detailed engineering. With this solution, the client avoids having to coordinate, interpret, and manage the transfer of civil, electrical, and mechanical information. In this way, the end user does not need to produce interconnection plans between various equipment and often various suppliers, thus avoiding an unnecessary increase in cost and construction time. Our PCRs, unlike constructions with a concrete slab structure and foundation, do not require cast-in-place concrete and the expensive transportation of materials to the site, avoiding several unnecessary hours of work in the execution of the project. Aspects that are very important to consider when the final application is located in an isolated place. The construction system and automatic air conditioning ensure optimal temperature control, thermal insulation, and a complete hermeticity of the room, even when they are installed in the most demanding climate conditions. Energopetrol integrates technology for the quality of its products and with customer satisfaction in mind.